Breaking story at this hour, the death toll in the Mumbai hoarding collapse in Ghatkopar has risen to 14 in the early hours of today, with several left injured. The death toll after the massive hoarding collapsed in Mumbai has risen according to the National Disaster Response Force that has been running rescue operations for those trapped. Over 40 people have been left injured in the incident. The NDRF inspector has said that 8 bodies have already been recovered after excavators dug through the wreckage to rescue those trapped inside under the collapsed billboard. 4 more bodies were still buried inside the rubble. I'm joined by my colleague Sujata Dwivedi for more on the story. Sujata, what's the latest? We are getting to know that 40 people have already died. People may be trapped under the wreckage. Is NDRF still continuing to do the rescue operations there?
Well, certainly, and if we talk about the current situation of the Ghatkopar collapse, hoarding collapse incident, then the NDRF operations are still underway, and at present, as per the latest figures that has been released by the BMC, we see that 30 of them are still admitted at Rajwari Hospital, and where the other at different hospitals in Kalwa, Vikhroli and KM Hospital, where total the number of people admitted is 43. And also, now after the death toll, last night was said to be 12, but early morning it has increased to 14, and 14 people have been declared dead. And at present, 31 have been discharged. And also, if we see, then the entire situation of the location is now being taken in hand by the BMC, where they have sent notice to the other 4 illegal hoardings that have been placed in the locality. And also for this particular incident at the petrol pump where a hoarding was put up and it collapsed last evening, then if we talk about that, CR number 353 as well as IPC 304, 338, 337 have been registered against the owner, whose name is said to be Bhavesh Pinde, and others at the Pantnagar police station, where now the investigation is underway to find out about the illegal hoardings. As per, while we tried talking to the BMC officials, they stated that BMC often gives the permission of placement of hoardings only up to 40 by 40 feet. But this particular hoarding was put up at the size of the hoarding was said to be 120 into 120 feet. Now that's almost double of the permission that is given by the BMC. So this is illegal, and at present investigation is underway and the necessary action will be taken by the authorities.
Very interesting point brought out there by Sujata, that these hoardings were illegal and their sizes were much above that was permitted to be put up in that area. Notices has been sent out by BMC to the errant officials. Let's listen in to some of the reactions that have come in on this horrific accident that happened on Monday evening.
पहले तो रेस्क्यू करना ज़रूरी है और रेस्क्यू टीम यहाँ काम कर रही है, और रेस्क्यू टीम और भी कई गाड़ियाँ यहाँ पर फंसी हुई है, उनको निकालना ये हमारी प्रायोरिटी है। और जो भी क्रेन है, हाइड्रा है, सब यहाँ पर लगाया है। और अभी जो जितने भी होर्डिंग है मुंबई में, उसका स्पेशल ऑडिट हो, स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट हो, जो विदाउट लाइसेंस विदाउट परमिशन है उनको काट दिया जाए, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाए।
एक्चुअली सर मैं वहीं पे था, तूफान वगैरह चल रहा था, तो गाड़ी हम लोग ने साइड में पार्क करी। वहाँ पे तूफान की वजह से हम लोग थोड़ा रेस्ट करे, बारिश वगैरह ज्यादा था ना वो टाइम पे, तो मेरा फ्रेंड वहाँ पे थोड़ा स्टे करने के लिए गए, तो रैंडमली हादसा हो गया, तूफान आ गया। ऊपर जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट का बोर्ड था ना कोई बिल्डर का, वो नीचे आ गया, उसके ऊपर जो पार्टीशन वगैरह था सब गिर गया। नीचे जितनी पब्लिक थी, 4 व्हीलर थी, 2 व्हीलर थी, सब स्टक हो गए। सब आप अपनी जान बचा रहे थे, उसमें बच्चे लोग थे, फीमेल थे, बहुत सारे लोग थे, तो उनका बहुत सारा नुकसान हो गया। हमने हमारी जान बचाने से पहले लोगों को कोऑपरेट करा, वहां से बाहर निकाला है। उसके बाद भी हम लोग कैसे बाहर निकले, तो जो भी नुकसान हुआ रहेगा, किसी का कुछ दिक्कत हुई रहेगी तो उसका क्लेम होना चाहिए।